1 is a concrete thin-shell dome whose construction process includes a relatively new technique called airforming. This technique uses an airform that's made of a high-strength, high-tech fabric. When inflated, the airform, looking like a semi-rigid balloon, creates the EcoShell's dome shape. The airform used in the construction of an EcoShell 1 is removable and reusable. With proper care, it can be used 100 or more times. And that feature significantly lessens construction costs for projects involving more than one structure. EcoShell 1 is a super strong structure that can withstand hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, fire, termites, and rot. Let's go over the construction. First, a concrete floor is constructed using standard practices. Around the perimeter, a stainless steel I-hook is wet set into the concrete. These hooks are what will hook our basalt reinforcement to the floor. Next, the floor is measured and marked to receive the airform. Now that we've verified the placement of the airform, we can spread it and prepare it for anchoring. As you can see in the video, the airform is very light and easy to handle. It requires no heavy machinery to maneuver or to place the airform onto the floor. The airform is attached using concrete screw anchors and a short piece of angle iron that we call tie-downs. These tie-downs are placed end to end around the entire circumference of the airform. The anchors are placed on the inside of the airform. This facilitates the removal of the airform after the concrete's been set. Once the airform is tied down, we can start the inflation process. The dome can be inflated through the axis tube for faster inflation, but once inflated, our smaller, higher pressure fan will take over. This smaller fan is able to put enough pressure to hold up the weight of the concrete and more. The first layer of concrete is applied directly to the outside of the airform. This process can be done with a sprayer or by hand. In this example, we are using our GHP 1500 concrete pump to apply the first inch. Once the first layer of concrete is on, we can follow with the basalt rope. The basalt rope is really amazing. A small spool of this rope will easily reinforce this whole structure. The rope is wrapped with horizontal and vertical pieces to form a gridwork similar to that seen with traditional steel reinforcements. Once the gridwork is complete, the final layers of concrete can be applied. Here is an example of what it would look like if it was done with hand application. You can see that the process is very fast and perfect for areas where the local workforce can be included in the building process. When compared to standard construction methods, you can clearly see the benefits. With one EcoShell kit, 100 plus homes can be built using local materials